Look at that.
No donkey.
Ayan, mga little donkey. Look at them. Ooh, hi.
They look like Shetland ponies. Those are donkeys. That one's a Shetland over there.
Jump the fence, Mom. Jump the fence.
Yeah, meron pa doon sa banda. Sa harapan lang yan guys ng school. So ito, may isa pa dito. Ayun sila oh. Look, there's one here. Medyo malaki na siya. Yan. Hi! Mukhang medyo maedad na to. Kumakain siya, wag natin siyang abalahin guys. Ayan siya oh. Napaka-hairy niya. He needs salon.